Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit HubSpot modules in HubSpot CMS. This is essential for customizing your website pages and creating reusable content blocks that maintain consistency across your site. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, click on the login button if you already have an account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click on Get Free HubSpot CRM to sign up. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your HubSpot credentials. Type in your email and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to access the Design Manager where all your modules live. Look at the left navigation panel and hover your cursor over the option named Content. An expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Website. This takes you to the area where you can manage all your website pages and modules. On the website page, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website where you want to add or edit a module by clicking on it. This opens up the editing interface for that specific site. Once you're in, look at the left side panel where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon and the Add Module menu will appear, displaying all available modules you can insert. You can either browse through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the specific module you need. Select the module you want to add by clicking on it. If you're editing an existing module, the module editor will open with configuration options. In the left panel, you'll see various fields you can customize, such as text, image, rich text, or CTA buttons. These field labels help you determine what to customize, including things like label names, default values, and placeholders. For more advanced customization, you can add or modify fields by dragging new elements from the left panel directly into your module layout. Click on any existing field to edit its properties, including whether it's required, what type of input it accepts, and how it's labeled. If your module will be used across multiple pages, make sure it has the necessary Hubble code to display data properly and is referenced in the templates or pages where it's needed. This ensures your module functions correctly wherever it appears. Finally, once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Save button to store all your modifications to the module. Your module is now ready to use across your HubSpot pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.